Here we have the function h of x equal to 4 times 2x plus 5 to the third, and we want to use the chain rule to find the derivative for h of x. So to use the chain rule, we can let u or let g of x be the 2x plus 5. So u prime or du, this is du dx, and this is equal to 2, as the derivative 2x, 2 times x is 2, and the derivative of the constant 5 is 0, so we get 2. And then we have f of u, we have f of g of x, then this is the same as f of u. This is equal to 4 times u to the third. Because this is 2x plus 5, that's u. And then the derivative of this and so the derivative here we have the multiplication constant 4, so that's going to be 4, and then use the power rule to find the derivative for u to the third. The derivative u to the third be 3 times u to the 3 minus 1. So this would be 12, and then u to the second. And then rewrite this in terms of x. U is 2x plus 5. And this would be to the second. And so h prime of x, by the chain rule, this is equal to f prime of g of x times g prime of x times g prime of x. And in terms of u, this is f prime of u times u prime. And so this will be u prime is f prime of x is this, f prime of u is this, and then times u prime is 2. So the final answer is 12 times 2x plus 5 to the second. And here we have another example, 9x plus 5. H of x is 9x plus 5 to the 1/3, and we want to find the derivative of h by using the chain rule. So first, we let u be g of x, be this part be the 9x plus 5, and so u prime, the derivative, this is du dx, and the derivative of 9x plus 5, derivative of 9x, 9 times x, which is 9, and the derivative of the constant 5 is 0, so we get 9. And then next we need the f g of x. This is f of u, and then it's going to be u to the 1/3. Because we let u be g of x, so f of g of x is just f of u. And so g of x is, u is 9x plus 5. And so this is 9x plus 5 to the 1/3. And so f prime of u, which is equal to f prime of g of x. And then using the power rule to get the derivative here, so the derivative be 1/3 times u to the 1/3 minus 1. And this becomes 1/3 times u to the negative 2/3. And this becomes 1/3 times, but u is 9x plus 5, so in the place of u we put 9x plus 5. Negative 2/3. And so h prime of x by the chain rule, this is f, and then times the derivative of g. And if we use u notation, then this is f prime of u times u prime. And so this will be 1/3, and then times 9. And 1/3 times 9 is 3, and then it's just this right here. And this is the answer. And here we have the function h of x is the third root of 7x squared plus 12. And we want to find the derivative or h prime of x using the chain rule. And so notice that this is the same as 7x squared plus 12, and this is the third root. And so if we're using rational exponent, that's the same as rational exponent of 1/3. And then we can let u, which is the g of x, be the inside part right here. And so u prime or g prime this is 7 times x squared, and so the derivative is 7 times the derivative of x squared, which is 2x, and then the derivative of the constant 12 is 0, so we get 14x. And so f g of x, this now becomes f of u And this is equal to u to the 1/3. Because u is 7x squared plus 12. And so the derivative right here derivative for u to the 1/3 will be 1/3 times u to the 1/3 minus 1, using the power rule. So this is 1/3, and then u to the negative 2/3, which is 1/3. And then u is 7x squared plus 12. And to the negative 2/3. And so h prime of x by the chain rule, this is f prime of g of x times g prime of x, but this is equal to this, and then times g prime of x is 14x. And so with the final answer, we can write this as 14/3 times x times this.